Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it has been a long time coming that I released anything on this channel. Well, life happens, that's what we're going to say. So today I'm going to talk about 5 side hustles that you can basically do from the comfort of your home with just your smartphone to raise money for yourself while you still keep your 9 to 5 job. And this side also will be very useful for those of you that are still searching for job, those of you that are job hunting and you've not gotten that yes from that employer. You can develop your skills with these side hustles. And if you look at it, the world is transitioning gradually into digital, into social media marketing, into anything on the go, because now everything has to be side hustle. I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing is a very easy thing you can do to be able to earn income while you are still searching for a job or as a side hustle for a 9 to 5 job. Affiliate marketing is not that easy, or it's not a get rich quick syndrome method of having money, but it's a side hustle you can do. You have a 9 to 5 job, what do you have to lose? Promote, do affiliate marketing for very popular brands, and one of those brands you can do affiliate marketing for is Jumia. You can also do, if you are international, you can do affiliate marketing for Zaful, you can do affiliate marketing for Chickme, you can do affiliate marketing for anything that interests you. It is easier for affiliate. The mistake that people do when they do affiliate marketing is they start promoting things that they don't really like or passionate about. For example, we all know that on this channel I love fashion. Anything that has to do with fashion, packing or travel, like travel too. So I should be promoting something like fashion product, hair scarf, jewelry and all those things. So such brands are the ones I should gravitate to and promote their product. I can't be promoting tech product because I have no idea what it is. I can't talk about phones. I can't talk about the type of gigabyte you should look out for. I don't do phone reviews, so I shouldn't be promoting phones, because how do I recommend the best type of phone for them? What type of product you should look out for? So when you're doing affiliate marketing, you should ensure that you go for products that you can promote. So for example, you decide to go for Jumia affiliate now, promote only things that you like talking about. So if you have an Instagram channel, or you have a Twitter account that you have so many followers and they know that the only thing you talk about is best places to visit, best places to visit, you should be talking about where they will get travel size packing cubes. You should be talking about where they can get the best boxes to travel. You should be talking about all the things that are relating to travel, even travel clothes. So you should be talking about things that are relatable to you, things that you can talk about conveniently. That will be easier for you to sell, because you know what, if you're talking about things that you another side hustle you can do from the comfort of your home without doing anything spectacular is for you to do freelancing. So most of you have some skills that people are actually looking for. You can freelance your services. Some of you are very good at social media. Most brands are always looking for people that will promote their social media, but people are looking for people that will do their customer service through social media, that kind of thing. You can freelance this your services. If you look at it now, there are many jobs and roles coming out and saying that we're looking for social media manager, we're looking for social media customer service personnel. So it is something you can actually do. So if you're such that are very good, you're always scrolling and tapping like on Instagram, always knowing what is up trend and what to do, you know how to apply these skills that you have done and acquire leisurely to earn money from it. So go for freelancing. It's another thing you can do. And if you are good at writing, you can write great words, you can do research, you can do freelancing in terms of being a writer. You can do travel writing, you can do fashion writing, you can do anything writing. You can write children books. You can even decide to even freelance your services to write for many websites and brands. Some of these brands are looking for a way to turn out articles on their website. Some bloggers are looking for people that will be writing for them while they focus on other things. Some blogs and websites can employ as much as 10 writers, but blogs like Paul's that you could like, these ones are not run by the owner of the blog himself. He has writers that do the contribution, writers that follow the trend, writers that have to write on the go. So all these things is a way of making income. If you are able to get into this kind of places, you can make it your full-time job, you can make it a freelance job. So I know I have one writer too, that one also writes for me, and if she writes, she gets paid at the end of the month. That's the agreement we had. So if you're such, that can write, and you're able to get one blogger here and the person pays you, and you get four bloggers. You never can tell, you may be earning 80,000 naira in a month just from sitting down in your house writing with your phone. You can use your phone to write all these things. You can use Google Docs on your phone. Your phone has been developed in such a way that almost everything you need is there, so you don't really need a laptop to be a freelancer. But if you, with time, you can upgrade to get a laptop, so you'll be able to write better and faster. But with your phone, you can start up. So instead of putting off, I have the skill, I know how to do it more than this person, why not just put yourself out there and see if you can try your hands on it? You can start by contributing free on some platforms, so that you get to gather your portfolio. With time, you become a well-known writer and be paid for this. So freelancing is another way you can earn money as a side also, just with your phone, no experience needed, Then another thing you can do is blogging. If you guys do not know, I'm a fashion and lifestyle blogger. Yes, I like to write about fashion and also talk about travel. And if you've not been to my blog, I'll go to link it down below and also display it on the screen. You will see a lot of articles, places I've been to, and my style tips, all the things I've talked about. You will see it on my website, so definitely check it out. So if you want to go into blogging, by all means go into blogging, because it's something you can do. Yes, I will tell you that I've made some income for blogging, which I will not say for the purpose of this video, but it took me some years of putting in that work. So if you put in the work into blogging, you're not copywriting people's content. You take your time to create your own niche. You take your time to talk about what you're passionate about. So for example, if I'm passionate about football, I can go into football blogging. I'll talk about how Arsenal lost, how did they, I will analyze, for no offense to Arsenal fans anyway, I will analyze the match, talk about it and share it. With 10 people that are interested in football will be coming to my channel and say, be coming to my channel or my website and start talking about, commenting and say, no, this what you analyze is not correct, what you analyze is we're in favor of it, So if you start blogging and are able to get to talk about what you love doing and get people that are interested in it, definitely you will make income from it. How will you make income from blogging? Maybe through Google AdSense. It can be used through banner ads. So if you have nice traffic on your website, it can be through banner ads. People come and pay you to put banner on your website, and they pay you, they give you a duration. Some will pay you $10 for 3 months, some will pay you $20 for 6 months. It depends on how you charge. You determine the price. I'll also be linking down my book, my ebook I wrote on blogging. So if you're such that is interested in blogging, I want to know how to start and also see all the mistakes I made when I started blogging, so you won't make the same mistake, definitely check out my book on Amazon. I will link it down below. You can read it free on Amazon Kindle, or you can just purchase it. It's an ebook, so you don't need to think about the shipping fee or bringing it to you wherever you are in the world. I have met an Amazon publisher one day at work. You can guess what my job is anyway. So this guy, I've never met someone that is sitting down in his house churning out books and is richer than me. That day I put my hand on my head. I was thinking, I have something I can also talk about. I'm passionate about a lot of things. Why not put it in an ebook, So maybe that's why I finally wrote my own book, which I want you guys to check out in the description below. But really, being a writer or writing an ebook is another way you can make a side also, where you promote it and you earn income from it. So if you write book, or you can write a children's book, for example, you can write a book on how to get a job. If you're in HR, you know all the nitty-gritty of interviews. What do employers look out for? And many people are out there are trying to know what to how to develop themselves to be able to get these jobs, So you can just write a book on it. You can be a customer service person and you know a lot about customer service. You can help one business, 2 businesses, 50 businesses to understand what it is to do customer service, how important customer service is for the business. Or are you a digital marketer? You know how to bring in that income for your boss. You know what to do and how to create those ads. Many people out there are looking for how to do those ads too. If you're a seller of handbags, and there's so many competition out there, digital marketing is the way, There's a big brand like Jumia and I have to contend with, but I need knowledge of digital marketing to be able to still get a market share. I may sound like I'm saying a lot of gibberish, but I still need knowledge to be able to get my own people. And most of my customers, especially when it comes to fashion, they are on Instagram. And Instagram algorithm is not a joking thing, So all those kind of things, they need this your knowledge that you have, that you've learned from your 9 to 5 job. Put it in a book. Look inwards. That is something you are passionate about. You may just be a mom, an experienced mom, and people like us that just got our family started. We're already thinking, what do I do when I get pregnant? What do I do when I give birth? What do I do when to run a family? How do I balance doing 9 to 5 and also running a family? How do I balance all this? It's all this knowledge, you have it in your head, sitting for free, rent free, and you can convert into money by writing ebooks. Okay, if you say you write ebooks and you're wondering how do I promote it? Promote it on Amazon, promote it on BAM books, promote it on Okada books. There are so many platforms here in Nigeria you can promote your books. Just being a publisher. Online courses. This one is missing techie for most of you, but many of you are already digital oriented and you know what it is to have a course. You can make an online course. You can use platform like Teachable to make an online course. And it's very easy to make online courses. You don't even need to be a blogger or a writer to do an online course. You can just write a few contents and make recordings like this I do, and people will just listen to you talk about things that you know and the knowledge you're sharing. Platforms like Skillshare, we have people that are sharing their knowledge, teaching courses, teaching you how to grow a plant, teaching you how to take care of a pet, teaching you some kind of thing. They will show you real life examples close to them that you will learn from. And if you too you have such knowledge too, you can go and start teaching these online courses. You can get listed on Skillshare if you want, or you can put this course on Teachable, create this into a course and share it and sell it for people. So if you have a platform, maybe you're a YouTuber, or if you're into social media, or you have large following on social media and they already know you for this, that, you can give them a course that they can learn how to improve themselves. I will keep saying, if you're in HR, because many people here are looking for jobs. The job now is competitive, the market is very competitive, so they just want to know how to sell themselves. Because I know there's my boss recently told me that I don't know how to really sell myself, Forget how confident I am maybe in front of the camera, but when it comes to normal corporate world, I'm not still selling myself enough. Some of you have this knowledge of how to sell. You can put all this knowledge into a course or into a book that people will just read and buy, and you never can tell. You may even sell your work globally through Amazon. People that don't know you, other African countries, other European countries, will check out your work, and if it's through creating courses, they get to learn from you, from your wealth of knowledge. You never can tell. If you start, you may just like doing that. So guys, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till another time, bye guys.